Hello students, today we will study about crystals and crystallization. Okay, so first see the introduction. When a hot saturated solution, a solution which is hot and saturated, it is cooled, and when that hot saturated solution it is cooled, see, definitely it will contain some extra amount of solid solute in it because it is hot and saturated. This we have studied earlier also. When such solution it is cooled down, the excess solid is generally thrown out in the form of particles. Whatever the excess solid which has been dissolved on raising the temperature of the saturated solution, that extra solute will come out of it when the hot saturated solution is cooled down, and those solid crystals which will be obtained, they will have a definite geometric shape. Okay, those extra crystals which we have obtained from cooling the hot saturated solution, these will have a good geometric shape, and these particles are called crystals, and the process of formation of these crystals, it is called crystallization. See, crystals, they are homogeneous solids and they are arranged symmetrically. They are bounded by plane surfaces. See, plane surfaces are here. All will have the plane surfaces like this. They are bounded by plane surfaces meeting at sharp edges. They will meet at sharp edges at definite angles to one another, and they will have a regular definite shape. All these you will study in higher classes about this in detail. Okay, the shapes are here like cubic, rhombic, tetragonal, monoclinic, triclinic, and hexagonal. These are the shapes of the crystals which are obtained by the process of crystallization. Now see what is crystallization. It is a process by which crystals are separated or deposited. Crystals, these are separated or these are deposited from where? From hot saturated solutions of a substance. Of a substance means it can be any salt, like we can take any salt here. Here we have done it with potassium nitrate KNO3. Okay, this I'll explain you right now. See, so crystallization, it is a process by which crystals are separated. We obtain crystals from where? We obtain crystals from a hot saturated solution. When this hot saturated solution of a substance, it is cooled gently, then crystals are obtained, and this process of obtaining crystals is called crystallization. See, conditions which are necessary for the process of crystallization. First is the temperature for heating. It should not be very high. It should be slow. And slow evaporation should be there, means temperature should be low. And then the cooling, it should also be slow, not sudden cooling is required, because if we'll heat it to a higher temperature and we'll suddenly cool it, the crystals of definite shape will not be obtained properly. Instead we can obtain some solids which will do not have their regular geometric shape, and they will not be well defined, and such solids which do not have their regular geometric shape and they are not well defined, they are called amorphous solids. They do not have any proper boundary, any proper angles and all, and they are called amorphous solids. So if we'll cool it suddenly and we'll heat it to the higher temperatures, then we'll get amorphous solids. So rapid cooling of a hot saturated solution results in the formation of amorphous solids. Instead of well defined crystal, will not get well defined crystals. And slow evaporation, if evaporation is slow, it enhances the concentration of solute, causing formation of well defined crystal. So these two things we should keep in mind while doing the process of crystallization, that this evaporation, it should be slow, and cooling, it should also be slow, to obtain good well defined solid crystals otherwise we'll get amorphous solids. Now see, preparation of crystal, it is given here. It is in the experiment form, like aim, procedure, observation and conclusion. Diagram is also given here. I'm showing you this diagram also. See, this is the solution of the salt only, and this is a seed crystal. Now I explain you here what is the meaning of this seed crystal. This is a rod in which this cotton strip is hanged, and here we have taken a well defined crystal. Now see the process. We have to prepare a large sized crystal of potassium nitrate. Okay, we have to obtain this large size. Small we have taken already, and we'll we want to obtain a large sized potassium nitrate crystal. Procedure is, a saturated solution of KNO3, it is prepared at 90 degree. We'll make a saturated solution, means when we are dissolving KNO3, extra KNO3 now it has been started settling at the bottom. It means it has not been able to dissolve more solute in it. Then it is filtered. If any impurity is there, then it is filtered, and a clear filtrate is allowed to cool in another beaker. We'll take it in another beaker, and it will be cooled now. Tiny crystals form on the bottom of the beaker. Small crystal we'll see at the bottom of the beaker. A glass rod is taken and a fine cotton thread is tied. A glass rod is taken and a fine cotton thread. This cotton thread is tied to it. Okay. Then we'll take a well formed crystal, a good shaped crystal we'll take, and then we'll tie it to this end. And this crystal, well defined crystal, it is called seed crystal, which is suspended in a cooled saturated solution which we have prepared above. This KNO3 solution which we have prepared and filtered, this will be taken here in the beaker, and in this beaker we'll tie a thread and we'll hang a good well defined crystal of potassium nitrate here. Okay, now this is called seed crystal. The beaker is covered with a muslin cloth. Just we'll cover all this with a muslin cloth so that no dust and dirt particles should go inside. And the crystals which we obtain, it should remain dust free, and the pure crystals will obtain. Now, observation. This was the procedure which will follow. What we'll observe after few days, we'll see that this crystal, the size of this seed crystal, it will become large. After few days it will become large. Conclusion, what will draw from this experiment: cooling a hot saturated solution, when we'll cool the hot saturated solution, it results in the deposition of a well defined crystal. Here in this seed crystal, well defined crystal will attach on its surface, and the crystal, if further suspend, if again will suspend this crystal to another hot saturated solution which is filtered and taken again, then again the size of this crystal will grow bigger. Okay, so this was the process of preparation of crystals. So go through this very carefully, what crystals are and what is crystallization and how can we prepare crystals. Thank you.